Pablo 1658, section negative 44 on the old school Chevy Tahoe color black.
Oh, cars are parked.
2027 registration compliance.
Can you just step out? We just gotta pat you guys both down because somebody said something about a firearm.
There's a firearm down there.
Okay, well we got it. Well, now we're here, so if you got nothing, then it's quick, and then we'll let you go.
Alright.
Oh. 39 foot pursuit. Stop! I'm gonna tase you.
Pursuit. 72. Eastbound Boston Ave.
Stop fucking running, yo!
Units out for pursuit.
Cinco gas, no left! Touch, get him! Get the car out!
Coming to.
Shots fired, shots fired.
I mean, it died just now. I'm over.
Yo! 32 foot pursuit. Eastbound on Boston Ave. Yo, you're gonna get tased! You're gonna get fucking tased! .32 taser deployed. Oh. Yo! Yo! 32 shots fired. Yo!